I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's driving. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rockin'. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's knockin'. I'm not the same. Thinking money made me change, nothing else to blame.
Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your girl Sherrell Denise back with another video. So it's currently Monday the 21st, 9:15 a.m. Okay, and guess what came in the mail? Yes, my phone came. I ordered this, I believe, 3 days ago. Yeah, I ordered this on, actually I ordered this on Friday the 18th and it came today. It was supposed to come at 10:30, but it came, the FedEx lady came around 9 o'clock. And I was still in the bed, you know. So I'm thinking it's gonna be here at 10:30. I thought I had time to eat, you know, make breakfast or whatever, but ding dong, here she is. And I have my freaking phone. It's the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I have it in gold. It's the 256 gigabyte. Focus that, but whatever. Yeah, and it came today. Also, my case and my screen protector is on its way today as well as we speak. I currently have the iPhone 8 Plus. Let me take this thing off. I also have it in gold. I had this for like over 2 years. This was my first iPhone, you know, so that's there. I'm gonna put my case over here, but let's get to the unboxing, okay? So we're gonna pull this tab, see if this is going to focus. Look at that. So scared. I'm so scared. Let's just, I don't know how I want to film this, but iPhone. She is beautiful. I know it's gonna come out, so I'm not going to do much, but uh-oh, she was just there. You see the color? Alright, let's just pull it out. What's the Pro Max? Hold on, I gotta see. Wow. For some reason I thought it would be like a lot heavier. You know, I thought it would be like a lot heavier, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I'm gonna leave the plastic on because I don't want to get it slopped up. I don't want to get my fingerprints on it. I feel like my hands are like sticky. Okay, so this is like a matte finish. I'm so happy. So glad I got this phone. But okay, I'm gonna set that down for now. And then let's see what we get in the box. Designed by Apple. Designed by Apple in California. You get your charger brick. I think this is like the 18 watt. And it's not USB, USB type C charger. So that's there, which is cool. I have my ear headphones. You know what? I forgot that my thing was on. Okay, hopefully that's a lot better. But I have my earphones or headphones, whatever, that I'm not going to use because I don't use that. And then I have my, and then we have the charger. So it's the USB type C to Lightning. Even though I wish it was both type C on both ends, but it's not. And then here you have your paperwork. So hello. And then there's the Apple stickers, which I'm not going to use because I don't ever use Apple stickers. And then all your stuff there. So the reason why I got the 11 Pro Max and didn't want to wait for the 12 is because, for one, the 12 would have been here by now, and it's not. And I don't want to wait until October, even though that's next month. And plus, I saw a lot of designs by YouTubers about what the iPhone 12 might look like. They said that it's going to be like square edges, like how the first iPhone SE was, how it was like square and not rounded, because I like that rounded look. So, guys, I'm so nervous. My hands are like, ooh. Oh yeah, this gold is freaking beautiful. I mean, I guess it's, let me see. This does feel heavier. The XS Max, Jesus. The 11 Pro Max does feel heavier. It does feel heavier, and then this is just whatever. So it's my new phone, my old phone. You can still see my face, that's why it's not doing that. So let's turn her on. Hold on. Wait, where's the on button? Okay, so let's turn her on. Look at my camera. She's turning on. I also bought the Apple Watch Series 6. That's going to be coming in October. It says it's going to be delivered by the 6th through the 13th. I had to change my order twice because I was going for, hello. I was going for the aluminum, but then I ended up switching to stainless steel because of the stainless steel, and I had the money for it. So okay, I'm gonna set this aside. I'm gonna have you guys look at this while I unbox it. So it took a minute for me to set this up. It said it didn't recognize my Apple ID password, so I had to turn off my computer. I had to turn on my computer to find the password because both these phones were busy at the time, but I am at this screen now. So I'm still setting up my password, setting up my phone, continue. Now I'm downloading the iOS 14. Oh my god, do I look greasy? Maybe I do, but I had to change my lenses too because I wanted to do like an upper shot, so that's why. So you can see my computer in the background. Okay, so I'm about to download and install the iOS 14. So that's all for the unboxing. I'm still finishing up setting this bad boy up. I will come back once my case comes and once my screen protector comes. So I'll see you guys in the next one.